Do you know if you start to learn how to design on Canva, in the next 3 to 6 months, you can start to make over $5,000 just by coming to this platform. You use your already template, already tools on this platform to make money. Yes, I've been using this platform actually to design my thumbnails, my book, my ebook, and so many other things I've been using for. And I've used this to actually earn a lot of money, which is what I'm going to share with you today. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 money making strategies that you can use Canva to do. So you can go ahead and also get paid. You can see right here, I've used it for so many things and they have already paid me. So for you who is new to online, looking for what to do, so you can also start to make money online. So right here is a perfect way for you to start learning skills that you can use to design on Canva. So for you who is new on my channel, just go ahead. I talk about how you can make money online. Click on the subscribe button and join me. Let's go ahead to the main video right now. So on the video, I will show you the 5 step-by-step on how you can get started. So for the first one right here, is called what I call freelance graphic design. So this is you designing for people using Canva template or ready-made templates for people, either thumbnail, either flyer, or any other things that you want to design. And there are so many already made design tools for you. Just go ahead and click on this more. You see the other tools that you can go ahead and use for you to start to earn on this platform. So what the first one I'm talking about now is called freelance graphic design, in case you did not hear me when I said it at first. So for you, what platform do you think you can sell up your skill? So I'll be showing you the platform is called. So the first one is called Fiverr.com. So we all know what Fiverr is. So registration on Fiverr is actually free. Go ahead and sign up with your email address. So when you sign up with your email address, you come over here and you list out your gig. So what do you list? Let's say you list it under Canva design. So because clients go ahead and search for Canva design experts, Canva social media post design, Canva logo. So if you are good at these skills, so these are what you put on your profile. As you can see right here, you can see people telling people I will design your editable Canva template for social media for $10, and already they have over 190 gig, which means over 190 order has been done, over 55 order have been done for $30 per gig. So 30 times 55, you already know how much the person is making, and you can see this person have over thousands of dollars just from them designing from the same cover that you are using or you are neglecting all this while. So these are what people use to actually to earn. You can see I can create presentation design, Canva and Google Slides. I can create professional graphic design. Just go ahead and list up your skill on this platform. So what other platform you can use is called Upwork. So on Upwork also, there are so many high-end clients that you can go ahead and pitch for, or they can also go ahead and also look for a Canva design expert, which you can be. So what you need is for you to go over and design your profile. Make sure you put marketing manager. You can also put Canva design. So whenever they are looking for somebody who is Canva expert, you will also be on the search list. So you can see that this person have made over $20,000 just by doing designing on Canva platform, which is actually free. And you can also go ahead and upgrade your Canva profile for you to have access to more tools. So right here, you can see as people are using Canva on their profile, and this have actually gave them an edge and make money. You can see this person right here actually focus on Canva graphic design and have earned over $8,000 already, and it's charged by $8 per hour. And this is just a simple design, just like banner and so on design that you can actually do. So the second one I'll be talking about is called sell digital books. So like I told you, I use Canva actually to design my book cover. I use Canva to design the pictures in my books. So you can also go ahead and also do this. So when you search ebook on Canva, different templates that you can use to design will actually come out, and you may be thinking, oh, what platform am I going to sell my digital products? So I'll be sharing with you platform I've used before, platform I've made money with. So which is first one is called Gumroad, where it says you can go from $0 to $1. Just go ahead and list whatever you are selling and share the links to people. So payment is seamless here. You can even start email marketing on this Gumroad where people actually who buy your digital books can actually you will save their email and also go ahead and do email marketing for them. So for the next one here is called seller.com. So for seller.com is actually also the same thing as Gumroad, but this also work for where you are sharing your link to different currency. You use this platform for a means. So go ahead to add your product. So when you add your product on this platform is where you can actually start selling. So these are my own ebook and this is how much I've earned on this platform. So go ahead and click on add products. So when you click on add products, all you need is for you to click on the digital products right here, and there are so many other products that you can or services that you can do on this platform. But for in this video we are focusing on the digital products. So go ahead and sell your knowledge, your creativity, which is what you have done on the player. So the third one is called KDP on Amazon. So on KDP actually is where you can also go ahead and list your digital books, whether storybook, whether planner or checklist. You can also go over here and also use this platform for your digital product. So the third one right here I'll be going over is called print on demand. We all know what print on demand is, or if you don't know what print on demand is actually you going ahead to make a design, whether on shirts, on mugs, or whatever design you want to make. So all designs you are seeing on different t-shirts that you are wearing, some people actually go ahead and actually made the design online and sell it to print company. So you don't have to even print it out, just design different t-shirt and go ahead and sell the design for different print company. As you can see right here, a different design that you can use, template already made for you, just for you to go ahead and edit it to your own unique design. So you can go ahead on platform I'll be sharing with you. So you can use that one to make your own money. So different type of design is template are already on Canva for you to start using to edit for your own unique design. Don't miss this out as this is I've already make people a lot of money. So the best thing for you to do on Canva is for you to upgrade your accounts to premium so you can have full access to all the tools that they have. So now I'll go over and show you the three platforms that I trust that I've used to make money. So I'll go over right here and let's see what we can do and how does it work. So for the first one that I use mostly is called Red Bobby. So for Red Bobby is actually when you click on sell your ad. So when you click on sell your ad, as someone who doesn't have a sign up or profile on this, so you go ahead and register. As you can see right here, the same template you have already on Canva is what people are using to design their own stuff. So the next platform is called Teespring. So for Teespring, actually, it's the same thing as the first website I talked about. You can see right here, these are what you can put on a t-shirt. So you design this and putting it on a t-shirt and selling it for around $20 and so on. This can actually make you a lot of money. As you can see right here, the third one is called Printful, where you say start selling, you choose your products, you add your design, you count your order, and you also count your profits. Then you get paid to your account. So that's how simple it is. So the fourth one I'll be talking about is called resume and cover letter templates. Do you know how many unemployed people that we have who are looking for who can help them to check or review or write their resume and CV and also cover letter for them? So for someone, you can go over and learn this skill and you can start selling it on different platforms I'll be sharing with you in this video. So for resume, there are thousands of ways that you can write it for a specific employer or that will actually go ahead and accept you for employment. So you learning these skills is actually a good mind skill where this can never end as people will continue to look for work. So firstly, first is for you to go to Fiverr and see how people are posting, how they can rewrite and do professional resume for them, cover letter, and they are charging as much as $35, and people are having over 50 to 100 gigs on from these skills. You can see people having over thousands just by them writing professional resume and cover letter for people who need them. On also on Upwork, you can see if someone said resume writing, cover letter, and LinkedIn. You can also see everything linked together, as this person right here is just ahead and helping people to write resume and getting paid. On Upwork, you can see as people have made already over 100,000 just by doing resume writing. While on the third platform where you can actually pitch yourself is called LinkedIn. So we all know what LinkedIn is for networking, and also you can pitch your resume skill. So the fifth and the last skill I'm sharing with you is called thumbnail. Do you know how many people who are YouTuber or who does not even want to handle a channel but run a channel? So right here is where your skill for thumbnail will come up, where you can help them to create eye-catching thumbnail, because those people actually do not have time to go ahead and start doing this. So you create a eye-catching thumbnail for them, you get paid for that. So simple as ABC, you create banners, you create channel ads, and so on. Even description, you can go ahead and do channel description for them, channel tags, and you also get paid accordingly. You can make over up to $100 per gig on this, as these are very simple thing you can learn. As you can see on Upwork also, there are so many people who are doing this particular job already, and they have made over thousands of dollars just by them doing YouTube thumbnail artists. As specific as it's, people are making a lot of money from it. So, and right now we go over and talk about last. This is called bonus. So we already know we talk about today. So I'll go over right now and stop on thumbnail for YouTube, and I'll go over and do a review of what I'll show you guys on Canva. So the bonus I'm giving you guys is that for someone who is using Canva, maybe you are in a group where people are interested in starting these Canva skills, go ahead and sell them Canva affiliate marketing program, where you can also get paid when they use your own link for sign up. So this is actually another idea for you to make money with Canva. So now you already know what skills I'm talking about. So you learn. So if you gain value from this video, please and please don't forget to subscribe, as this will show motivates me, and I will make a lot of videos with your like and motivation, and also show you guys what I saw online and what have worked for me. So guys, thank you for watching.